Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products. Today, we're diving into the world of eyewear and exploring what could arguably be the best companion for your nighttime drives: the YIMI Polarized Photochromic Driving Z87 sunglasses. These aren't your ordinary sunglasses. They're equipped with some impressive features that make them stand out from the crowd. Let's delve into what makes them a must-have for anyone hitting the road after dark. First off, let's talk about the technology behind these glasses. With their photochromic lenses, they automatically adapt to changes in sunlight and UV levels. This means whether you're driving under the blazing sun or the moonlit night, these glasses have got you covered. But what sets these apart is their ability to reduce glare and haze, thanks to the polarized lenses. This is crucial for nighttime driving, especially with oncoming headlights that can sometimes blind you. The YIMI sunglasses filter out that dazzling light, ensuring a safer and more comfortable driving experience. Now, comfort is key, especially for long drives. These sunglasses are designed with lightweight construction and soft silicone nose pads, ensuring you can wear them for hours without any discomfort. Plus, their durable build means they can withstand the rigors of outdoor activities like cycling, running, or fishing, making them versatile for any adventure. So, there you have it, the YIMI Polarized Photochromic Driving Z87 sunglasses, your ultimate companion for nighttime driving and beyond. With their advanced technology, comfort-focused design, and rave reviews from users, it's clear why these are considered the best in the market. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews on products that make a difference in your life. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.